Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. If you watch my show, you notice that I have these necklaces on, and these are slip knot necklaces. And I love my slip knot necklaces, and so I thought it would be great to teach you how to make a slip knot necklace. However, to do that, I first want to show you how to make a slip knot. And so I'm going to teach you today how to make a slip knot, but I'm going to be using paracord so that you can easily see how to make a slip knot. I'm going to show you how to make it right now. To show you how to make a slip knot, I'm going to just be using a piece of 550-pound paracord. It's just bigger and easier to see. When you actually make a slip knot in a necklace, you'll be using something that is much finer, but it's hard to see that, and so I thought that I would show you how with paracord. So to make my slip knot, I'm going to be making two slip knots for my necklace. So the first one, I'm going to take my cord and I wrap it around about halfway, and as you can see, I leave this piece flat and bring this one over and make like a little half loop. So there's your half loop, and it's on top of the other cord. So we've got the cord on the bottom making a half loop over top. What I'm going to do is pick this all up here, and I take this loose end and I wrap it under and around, and then I bring it through the bottom hole and pull. And that's going to make a knot that slides. So now we go and we do this on the other side. Give ourselves a little bit more space there. And once again, this is laying flat. Loop it around, pick it up, bring it around and through, and tying it off, and then it slides. You can see how it slides in two directions. So there you have it. That's how you make your very own slip knot necklace. Now, I would say practice this, because my next video, you are going to see a slip knot necklace. For more fun ideas, check us out at Sophie-World.com.